This is proof you can get these type of looks without having perfect skin.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me.
Well, hello there. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna get straight into it. As you guys can see by the title of this video, I'm going to do a no foundation makeup routine. Yes, no foundation. So I've been loving these types of makeup looks just because it is summertime right now, super hot. I don't want to wear foundation, let alone cake my face. This is a perfect look to do when you want to look put together without doing too much. Like, look at my skin. So I'll be using all drugstore products in this video. I actually just got a whole bunch of new stuff, so you guys will be seeing a first impressions as well. So if you guys are new here and you want to make sure you don't miss my next upload, just make sure you subscribe down below. Okay, let's get on with this video. Do you guys see my skin? Do you guys see my skin? It's clear, you guys. You guys know I've been struggling with acne for some years. I mean, if you don't know, now you know. Subscribe to my channel down below for acne tips. These are just all dark spots I haven't broke out for the past 3 months. Which is like a dream come true. So I thought it would be perfect time to make a no foundation makeup look. I love these type of looks during the summertime and it's so hot right now. The last thing I want to do is coat my face with a whole bunch of makeup, so I always like to do skin-like natural looks anyways, so this is just like my cup of tea, you know? You guys are gonna love this routine because it's all drugstore products. I haven't honestly wore makeup in a while, and the makeup I do have is probably expired. I don't know, I don't want to risk it because once my skin is clear, I wanted to keep it like this. I don't want to break out from any products or anything like that. So I went out today and got a whole bunch of stuff, all drugstore. You guys know I love using drugstore because it's so affordable and it honestly has really good quality as well, so you can get this look without using really expensive products. If you can get the same look with drugstore, why not just use drugstore? I did get a whole bunch of new stuff that I haven't tried. It's kind of like our first impressions video as well. So yeah. All right, let's get started. So if I'm wearing no foundation or not, I really like to moisturize really well. This is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream. It looks so expensive. Like, it looks really whipped and creamy, and it's actually a pretty thick consistency. It smells kind of like Pond's cold cream, if you guys know what that smells like. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this on my face just to moisturize, and ooh, whew, this smells so good. Oh my god. So I like bringing the moisturizer all the way up under my eye as well, so it's easy for the concealer to blend into the skin. And this is like so good, you guys. This consistency is crazy. Oof. You guys gotta give this one a try. e.l.f. is stepping up their game. Their quality is like, so yeah, really love this. Okay, next up. I felt really good. Just saying. So I'm just gonna do my brows really quick just because that's what I would normally do.
I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. I wanna get closer. It's not over yet.
We're moisturized, our brows are done, looking put together already. I've been loving this liquid Illuminator. It's basically a highlight in a bottle. I just really love putting it on the high points to make my skin look really healthy. Obviously a little bit goes a long way, but I just like using liquid just because it like really blends into the skin and it's not sitting on top. It looks like you're glowing from within, you know? I love that look. I like kind of getting it under the eyes. It bounces the light off of your dark circles. And then now on the nose and the chin, just to even everything out. Like so. I was really intrigued by this Born to Glow concealer. Whatever foundations are really good, they're always gonna have a really good concealer to go with it. If you don't know what to get and you're in the drugstore, and just think of all the really good foundations you've tried and then get the concealer formula, because it's like a win-win, you know? I got the color Golden. Very interesting applicator. It's kind of like the eraser one by Maybelline. I'm not a big fan of these kind of applicators. I think they like hold a lot of dirt. Spot conceal. So I just like working in small amounts and then I'll blend out with my fingers. This is probably gonna be a good match for me as far as skin tone goes. So I like using my fingers. My hands are clean, don't worry. So I'm just going to tap it very lightly. I'm pretty tan, so I'm like 3 different colors right now. So I didn't know exactly what color to get. But this looks really nice. Can you guys even see where I put it? It literally looks like my skin. So see how I just take my finger and I blend out that spot first, and then I'll take the remainder and just kind of rub it around in a circular motion, tap it around so that it evens everything out. Because I don't have just one dark spot, I have like quite a few, and this is a way to get it really, really even without looking like it's just in that one spot, you know? And this is like really good concealer though. The only thing is, if you do have oily skin, use a mattifying primer first. At least use the spray at least, so it can control some of the oil. The key is to get everything even, not everything covered, you know? If you do want a little bit more coverage in certain areas, just let the concealer sit for a second before you blend it out. But the fact that you're using your finger, it's gonna melt it down, so it's easier to blend into the skin. For under the eyes, I like to use a different concealer that's not too dark. I like to brighten up the eyes a little bit more. I'm gonna use an OG concealer that I've used back in the day. I haven't used this in so long. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Not sponsored by Maybelline. I just love their products. I just get the outer corner here, how there's a little bit of redness, and then the inner corner, just so that it gets the dark circle. And then when you blend everything in, you're gonna blend it in a triangle form. Now we're just gonna blend. You're still using our fingers. I know this is the weirdest thing under the eye, but trust me, it really helps a lot with this type of look. I think your fingers are honestly the best thing to use to blend. Beauty blenders and stuff make me break out. Brushes clog your pores. So unless if you already have perfect skin, I mean, by all means use those. Like look at the difference, you guys. Already. Wow. And then just bring up the rest of the concealer up into like a really high angle, so that it kind of snatches your eye. Bring it down to the cheek a little bit. And then this is where you can add another layer if you like, maybe at the bottom. You basically want to keep blending until the concealer dries. And you're gonna feel it get a little tacky. That's when you can stop blending it. So I just want to show you guys up close how this looks so that you guys can see how good it blended into the skin. I mean, some spots are a little bit lighter, but that's okay because now we're gonna put on blush and that's gonna make everything blend together. So I've really been into cream blushes. So I got this liquid blush from Maybelline. It comes in a tube like this. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. You can just blend it straight away into your skin since we don't have foundation on. And I got a pretty natural color. I just love products that like kind of feel like skincare. So I've been loving this technique I've been doing with my blush. I just love blending the brush. I can't talk today, you guys, for real. I just love blending the blush on the top parts of my cheekbone and then blending it forward towards my under eye. And it gives you really flushed, effortless, sun-kissed look. That's why, since I bring up the blush so high, that's why we don't have to worry about the concealer being a little bit lighter right there. Ooh, You guys, you see this skin right now? For all my girls with acne prone skin, with acne scars, dark spots, all of that stuff, this is proof you can get these type of looks without having perfect skin. Not too shabby. Let's do lips really quick because my lips are dry. So I got this tinted lip balm from Honest Beauty. I got the color Blood Orange because I thought it would really match the blush I just put on. So I really love lip balms like this because it just looks like your lips just have a flush of color. But I just like to dab it on there. Still looks like your lips, you know? And I'm just gonna add a little bit of gloss. Add a little healthiness into the middle here. And my skin is peeking through just a little bit, but that's okay. But yeah, oh my god. My skin is looking so good. So if you guys have little like dark areas on your lip, I just take this. It's Maybelline Super Stay. I have the foundation form of this and I'll just conceal around my mouth. I like doing this after I do my lipstick so it kind of cleans it up a little bit. And literally those are like the spots you need to conceal just to look a little bit put together. And it's literally just one dot of concealer in all of these areas. So outer corner, inner corner, around your mouth corners, and then you're good to go. Spot conceal the rest of your face, and we are back in action, you guys. But yeah, this is it for this look. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this no foundation makeup routine. I'm loving this look right now. Like my skin looks so healthy. Yes. If you did, like this video and give it a thumbs up so I know to make more videos like this one. And don't forget to subscribe down below if you're new here so you don't miss my next upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video on Monday.